Hello everyone, my name is Itu Nurjana Fata. I'm from the Faculty of Economics and Business Management Study Program, University Persada Indonesia YAI. Student ID 21142900044. For this time, I will presentation about sales words and process you absolutely must know. 1. After sales service, meaning regular maintenance, upkeep, or repair of product after sales service may be offered by the manufacturer company who makes the product or supplier see below during and after a warranty see below period. Example, the promise after sales service, but the warranty period was not specified. You may want to use this phrase when talking to customer about specific products that may benefit from after sales service. Example of after sales service activities: 1. Good packaging. A packaging that has good quality and attractive has a large value. A user will be more impressed by attractive packaging and will make them happier than a product that is packaged only in cardboard wrappers. 2. Coupons and vouchers. The extent of a new purchase of goods or service will not make the buyer immediately satisfied or happy. These feelings will appear normally because of intent alone. Well, to overcome this, companies can provide coupons or vouchers. After sales service strategy effect. After sales service creates reality. After sales service increases sales. After sales service support product repair. Difference due to after sales service. Differentiation is a powerful way to win a business competition and become a very competitive brand in the market. When the market is filled with the same product, there is no better way than to correct the shortcomings product by competitors. That way, it will indirectly make the seller to of mind and direct the seller to make repeat purchase. After sales service tips: 1. Thank you for purchase. 2. Contact customer. 3. Mention communication. 4. Private warranty. 5. Providing spare parts. 6. Providing maintenance and repair service. 7. Providing facilities and equipment. 2. Client, meaning a person who pays a professional person or organization for service. The service might be from a lawyer, an accountant, advertising agency, etc. Example, as an inexperienced employee in an advertising agency, it can be difficult to get new clients. Clients are generally people who buy more intangible service like advice or other things you can actually see. Pay attention to the difference between this word and the next one. Definition: client. The definition of client is someone who gets legal assistance from an attorney. Meanwhile, according to the Oxford Dictionary, the definition of a client is someone who use the service of a professional organization such as lawyer or bank. Simply put, a client is someone who comes to you and says what he or she needs. Kinds of client characteristic. There are various types of clients and each has its own characteristic. 1. Pursuit client. Clients of this type are usually found in the women's protection agency, where they come to the counselor at the instigation of others. His characteristics are refreshing their counselor's help, not talking much, and closing himself off. 2. Volunteer client. The second type is voluntary. The client comes alone without any encouragement from anyone. The characteristics are more open, friendly, and express the problem clearly. What you have to do when dealing with him is to control the conversation to stay on topic. 3. Crisis client. Crisis client have the characteristic of being easily fragile, rarely talking, and less able to think rationally. How to treat him must be careful, or it could be by being a person who can be trusted for him. 4. Reluctant clients. This type of client is almost the same as the voluntary. The difference is the voluntary type is still willing to receive input from the counselor, while the reluctant type usually only needs to be heard without being given a solution, or on the contrary, they just stay silent and prefer to listen to the counselor speak. 5. Hostile or opposing clients. The most difficult when dealing with this kind of client because usually they are not friendly, always want to win themselves and look bad. What you have to do is treat it gently but also have to be good at negotiation. Let the client speak in the early minutes as from of observation, then you can determine your attitude. Example, if you are a web developer, then there is someone who wants to use your service to make a web from him. Explain what should be on the website to be created, that they talk honest openly and the delivery method is also good. Clients like this fall into the following category. The attitude you must take is to provide the best service and often coordinate. 3. Faulty goods, meaning defective goods, imperfect products. Example, their bad reputation was a result of having sold several faulty goods. When dealing with customers who have purchased faulty goods from you, you have to try to put yourself in their shoes or imagine yourself in their situation so that you can be truly helpful. If there warranty coverage helping, there will probably be easier. If there isn't, you have to make sure you only promise to do what your company can do for that customer. Definition: faulty goods. Faulty goods are characteristic of a product that preclude its use for that purpose. Designed and manufactured faulty goods appear prominently in the context of product safety legislation, where the term is applied to anything that makes product is not soft enough. 5 ways to reduce toilet goods in the warehouse. 1. Check pallets in warehouse. 2. Labeling. 3. Lighting. 4. Use of high shelf. 5. Use of special place. That's my presentation. Thank you for attention.